Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track invoice status in Wave. Now, tracking your invoice ensures that you're aware of unpaid bills and upcoming due dates. It's pretty useful and pretty important. So let's get into how to do it. Now, on your invoice page, each invoice will display its current status, whether it's paid, unpaid, or pending. This gives you a quick overview of your account's receivables. To get more details, you can click on any invoice to view its full history. Wave will display the payment status, showing whether it's been fully paid or partially paid. You can also filter invoices by their status, so you can easily find overdue invoices or those waiting for payments. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.